English Plus, 5th grade, Unit 8, Creativity, page 101. Vocabulary and listening, nouns, films. Exercise 1. Match the types of film 1 to 8 with the descriptions A to H. First, a fantasy film is about wizards and magic. H. Second is E. Horror film. Horror film is about ghosts and monsters. Third, a historical film has lots of knights and sword fights. An action film has lots of fights and car chases. A musical has lots of dancing and singing. 6. A science fiction film has lots of aliens and spaceships. A romance has a boy and a girl falling in love. A comedy makes people laugh. Бұл тапсырмада барлығы түсінікті деп ойлаймын. Фантастикалық фильм, қорқынышты фильм, комедия, әртүрлі фильм жанрларына түсіндірме берілген. Exercise 2. Think of examples of each type of film in exercise 1. Test your partner with your ideas. Төбедегі бірінші жаттығуға қарап, бір фильмнің түрін анықтап, өздеріңіз идеяларыңызбен бөлісесіздер. For example, Harry Potter. Harry Potter is a fantasy film. Yes. For example, film is Home Alone. Home Alone is a comedy film. Yes, the main actor is Kevin. Один дома киносы, үйде жалғыз қалғанда, ол комедиялық фильм. Exercise 3. It is listening task. Do the film quiz, then listen and take your answers. The film quiz. What are the names of the films? First, a fish looks for his son and has lots of adventures. It is Finding Nemo. Second, a young wizard fights a dark wizard. It is Harry Potter. Third, a prince is turned into a beast and a princess helps save him. It is Beauty and the Beast. 4. A man from another planet who has special powers to stop lots of criminals. It is Superman. 5. A lonely Kazakh teenager called Aslan is bullied at his new school. It is Harmony Lessons. Бұл жерде кинолардың көбісі сіздерге таныс кинолар. Немоны табу, Гарри Поттер, Құбыжық және Ханшайым, Супермен және гармония сабақтары. Exercise 4. Which films in the film quiz are these questions and answers connected to? First, are you going to stop the ballets? Yes, I am. It is Harmony Lessons. Second, are you going to lose against the evil wizard? No, I am not. It is about Harry Potter. Third one, what are you going to do? I'm going to save the prince. It is Beauty and the Beast. 4. Who are you going to find? I'm going to find my son. It is Finding Nemo. 5. Is he going to beat the criminals? Yes, he is. It is about Superman. Exercise 5. Activate. You are going to plan a film project at school. Answer the questions with 4 sentences about your plans for the film. Сіздер мектепте бір фильм түсірейін деп жатсыздар, проектін жасауларыңыз керек. Және осындай 4 сұрақтан тұрады. What sort of film is it going to be? What is the story going to be? Who is going to be the main actor? Who is going to direct the film? Sample answer. It is going to be a Kazakh comedy film. This is a story about a girl and a boy. They loved each other. 3. The main actors are beautiful girl and handsome boy. Who is going to direct the film? Producer and me. Бұл қазақ комедия фильмі болайын деп тұр. Ал бұның киноның желісі қыз бен бала туралы. Олар бір-бірін жақсы көреді. Және басты кейіпкерлер әдемі қыз бен әдемі бала. Бұны продюсермен және мен түсірем деп жаздым. Әркім өзін жазады ғой, кім продюсер болады немесе класстастарыңыз біреу жазса болады. Language focus. Be going to questions. Exercise 1. Complete the table with the words in the box. Isn't, am, are, is. Question form is to be going to. Am I? Are you? Are we? Are they going to study? Is he? Is she? Short answers. Yes, I am. Yes, you, we, they are. Yes, he, she is. Қысқа жауаптарда No, I'm not. No, you aren't. No, we aren't. No, they aren't. No, he is not. No, she is not. Double H questions. What am I going to do? What are you going to do? What is he going to do? What is she going to do? Exercise 2. Complete the questions and answers. Are you going to watch a horror film? Yes, I am. Is he going to make a film? No, he is not. He isn't. What are they going to do? They are going to make a film. 4. Are we going to be famous actors? No, we aren't. Is Samad going to take David and Sarah sightseeing? Yes, he is. Are you going to do your homework now? No, I'm not. When are we going to see them? We are going to see them next week. Who is going to be the main actor? Aynur Niyazova is. Exercise 3. Make the sentences into questions and short answers. He is going to win. Is he going to win? Yes, he is. First, is she going to save her friends? Yes, she is. Second, are the princess and the beast going to fall in love? Yes, they are. Third, are we going to find my sister? Yes, we are. Are the criminals going to win? No, they aren't. Are you going to find your son? Yes, I am. Is the evil wizard going to die? Yes, he is. Seventh, is winter going to end soon? No, it isn't. The last one, are the fish going to escape? Yes, they are. Exercise 4. Make questions with be going to. Are you going to watch a film this week? Second, where are you going to go on holiday this year? 3. How many books are you going to read this month? 4. Are you going to play football tomorrow? 5. What are you going to eat for supper tonight? Are you going to do your homework on time? Exercise 5. Activate. Ask and answer the questions in exercise 4 with your partner. Төртінші жаттығуға қарап, сол сияқты сөйлем құрып, сұрақ қойып жауап бересіздер өзіңіздің жұбыңызбен. Мысалы, Are you going to watch a film this week? Yes, I am. Are you going to play football tomorrow? No, I am not. Осы апта сен кино көресің бе? Иә, көремін. Ертең футбол ойнауға барасың ба? No, I am not. Жоқ, бармаймын. Dear friends, if video was useful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.